Yeah, it's not soft at all. It's a bit so strong. Serious. I'm filming. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seri.O. I got the comment from my Facebook from some friend. They want to know how to make a fried potato, and to be honest, I really don't know how to make a special way. I know this normal way, easy. So I asked my husband how to make that potato. It seemed he was surprised, like, oh, this is so easy to make, just cut and fry, but it has some tricks to make that. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make it, and tonight we're gonna have like a movie night, so that's good to have a fry, to eat, to watch something, watch a movie together. Okay, I'm gonna start with the potato I got from the market, this one. Actually, it's about potato what you gonna choose, to be honest. So I asked in the shop, I want to fry the potato because I'm Thai. I don't know how to shoot the potato. So I asked the shop which one can make a fry, because in here have so many kind. It's same like in Thailand have so many kind of rice. So it's better you should ask the shop or should ask the seller to which one is perfect for fry. So I got from the market today. We went to the market today. Yeah, because sorry, because it's cheap, and yeah, so I asked the lady, is it, wow, to be honest, the potato is very so strong, and yeah, it's not soft at all. It's a bit so strong, like a little bit hard, like a stone for me. Okay, so we're gonna start how to make it, and I think you guys will love it this way. Let's start it. Okay, we're gonna peel the potato, so I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna peel this. And after I'm gonna cut the potato, so I'm gonna cut half of potato first, like this. And then I'm gonna chop, not slice it, but chop, like not too thick, not too big too. So we're gonna have like this. So for me is too wild. So I'm gonna cut one more time if we got like this. But if some people like to eat the big one like this, it is okay. It's about you which one you like to eat, but I didn't like much to be so big, so I'm gonna cut one more time like this, and we're gonna have like this. So that's good for me, because when we fry, we can fry so far, and that's good. So if we cut too big, have to use so long, and then we take a lot of oil, it's not so good too. So now I got the potato already. I use this a few because it's a lot. We're gonna keep this for next time, or maybe I'm gonna cut and freeze for frying next time. That's good, yeah? Okay, I will cut it all and then I will freeze it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this one more time and we're gonna fry this. So let's go. So I'm gonna use the wok today, and I'm gonna add some oil into the wok. I think it's a trick for the fry, have to use a new oil. It can be smell very good and very nice. I gotta fry and I'm gonna use this bowl to mix with the salt. A bit of salt. Not so much, and I gonna serious. I'm filming, and I'm gonna mix this for the salt. So I'm gonna put on this one because it looks so nice, and I'm gonna clean first. So this is how I make fry. I hope you will enjoy it, and I'm going to have my movie night. See you next time.